In today's global business landscape, mainframes are essential, with many organizations relying on them to run business-critical applications. A mainframe modernization involves upgrading or modifying existing mainframe systems rather than replacing them or operating them with outdated software. A number of factors contribute to the need for mainframe modernization, such as the scarcity of domain expertise, limited flexibility, exorbitant costs, and application complexity. Still, many enterprises are putting off their decision to modernize mainframes because they perceive it as complicated and risky. Click2Cloud's Cloud Intel is the solution to your need to migrate from a mainframe to a modern environment. Cloud Intel is an automated tool suite that performs assessments and provides understanding of the applications, operational components, and infrastructures of a mainframe environment. It provides a comprehensive analysis of your legacy applications, analyzes mainframe code, and assists you in understanding their interrelationships, complexity, dependencies, and business rules. Cloud Intel's cost-effective and reliable modern development assessment solution enables enterprises to make a seamless transition to the cloud. Mitigate mainframe modernization complexity and risks with Cloud Intel's assessment solution. For more updates, stay tuned to Click2Cloud.